Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. I hope you guys are having a great Friday, guys. I know I am. Guys, it has been a great week for all of us. We all know what's been going on. It doesn't matter who's in office or even if everything is still being counted and tallied and whatever, we still moving on. We still making our gains. We still making our money. And it's been a great week for all of us if you've been inside cryptocurrency. If you started cryptocurrency last week, you're having a hell of a week. You know what I'm saying? You're like, man, I'm telling you, this is the best thing. You probably telling everybody. But guys and everyone that's been around for a while has been buying in those dips, buying everything. It has been a great week for all of us. So I just want to tell everybody congratulations to everybody in the crypto world. We doing our thing right now, baby. So let's check out right now the markets. So right now it says market cap is currently $445 billion. 24-hour volume is at $145.8 billion. And BTC dominance went down a little bit. So a little bit are pumping right now. Are pumping right now. I think SNX is SNX is about 14% right now for the day. And BTC dominance, like I said, 64.7%. Now on a 1 day, you guys can see we was at $430 billion yesterday, and we're at $445 billion today. So about $15 billion came into the market in 24 hours, which is a big move. And if you look at the last week, we was at $394 billion, and we had $445 billion. So we had over 50 billion came into the market in the last week. And if you guys see here, it's not no big spike up. You know what I'm saying? So it's nice gradual. That's what you like to see. Profit taking, and then all of a sudden we keep gradually going up. So it's not no big spike, like just straight up. So this is the great thing. You know what I'm saying? Then you're looking at Bitcoin, it just moved, man. It just moved, especially yesterday, just went off. We had that support line. We had that resistance line right around 12. We had about 12.5. We had that resistance line. You see, it bust right through, and it just kept moving. It kept busting through those resistance. Just kept moving. And we settled here at 15.5 yesterday. And but man, the next stop is 16.2, around 16.2, and you can see here 16.262. So about 16.2 was our next stop. We got up to 15.955. So we getting close to that 16,000. We haven't touched these prices, man, in over since January 2018. So we are in uncharted territories in the last few years, So this has been great. It's been great for the community, guys. And once again, congratulations if you are in cryptocurrency. And I'm gonna tell you who else is making a lot of money off of Bitcoin. This guy right here. So guys, right here, you guys gonna see this was driving crypto. These large institutions, they're getting into it, and they're selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And you gotta remember, in order for these people to sell it to you, they have to buy it. They have to buy a whole lot of it. And when they buy a whole lot of it, or something that's scarcity, that you can't just push a button and just print, guess what happens to the price of that thing? It does this. That's all I'm gonna say. So, guys, Square reports over $1 billion in quarterly Bitcoin revenue for first time Q3 earnings. It says it was a monster quarter for Square's Bitcoin business. Cashapp generated $1.63 billion of Bitcoin revenue and $32 million of Bitcoin gross profit during the third quarter of 2020, up approximately 11 and 15x. Year over year, respectively. The publicly traded payment firm wrote in its Q3 investor letter published Thursday at the market close. For comparison, in the second quarter of 2020, The publicly traded payments company sold $875 million through its Cash App and $17 million in profit. Square sold $516 million in Bitcoin over the entire year of 2019. This here is crazy. This here is crazy, guys. This is crazy, man. Among publicly traded companies, it could be said that Jack Dorsey Square has led the way in building Bitcoin services, first piloting Bitcoin purchases in its Cash App in late 2017. PayPal confirmed its rumored support for Bitcoin Cash, Ether, and Litecoin just last month. Square went one step further in Q3, however, officially adding Bitcoin to its balance sheet rather than simply making it available to customers. Now, Square acknowledged its October announcement of a $50 million purchase of Bitcoin as a treasury asset in its shareholders' letter. Bitcoin price hovered under 11,000 at the time. As it is writing, Bitcoin has broken 15,000. We announced two strategic investments, Dorsey said during the earnings call. The second was the $50 million investment in Bitcoin, which we believe will be the native currency of the internet and help people thrive around the world and the economy. Now, it says in Q1 2020, Square brought in $360 million in revenue from selling Bitcoin in the Cash App. It brought in $875 million in revenue in Q2. However, the margin on Bitcoin sales is always quite small for Square. In late 2019, the company changed the way it supported its Bitcoin business, shifting to a fee-based model in order to make costs to buyers more transparent. Now, sales of Bitcoin and Cash App earned Square a little under 2% in profit, which is very thin margin compared to Square's overall business, which runs at a much higher margins. For example, the company overall made $597 million on $1.92 billion of revenue in the second quarter, or roughly a 31% profit. Square is going off, guys. If you guys don't know Jack Dorsey, he's the guy that actually I know he founded or co-founded Twitter. So I know he was one of the founding members of Twitter. I know that. And so overall, now he created Square as well. And Square, the parent company, the Cash App. Overall, the Cash App also delivered stronger profits in the second quarter. It brought in $1.2 billion worth of revenue and $281 million in gross profit, according to its Q2 shareholder letter. Cash App profit in the third quarter hit $385 million. And Square's Bitcoin research arm, Square Crypto, recently announced a design grant meant to help make crypto wallets more user-friendly. So you guys here can see, shareholder letter. If you guys are a shareholder, you probably already seen this letter, and it's here the shareholder letter. Just going over Q3 earnings and profits. And guys, this here just, it is what it is, man. It is what it is when you come to this here, and people need to understand that, this is a new world. It's a digital world. People do digital transactions, and people are going to make their money in these institutions. They want to be a step ahead of it. They want to go in. They want to capitalize off of it. And if you don't want to sit there and get in the game, you're going to get left behind. And the institutions know that. That's why they are engaging. The smart ones, shall I say? They are engaging, and they are basically taking care of everything and making sure that they're saying, listen, we're going to be a part of this whole cryptocurrency thing, because people are out here buying, millennials are out here buying, they're going crazy, and we want to be able to actually capitalize off of this. So guys, let me know what you think about this right here. You think this is great news? Or I know a lot of people are buying Bitcoin from Cash App. I actually showed my barber how to buy Bitcoin from Cash App. And so people are learning how to do that. People are already sending money across to each other using Cash App and other things as well. So I think they are, I think, Cash App Square is going to be, is big. And with PayPal, this makes it it takes it to a whole nother level. You know, so I believe 10% of people are actually using PayPal. I know a couple people actually can buy Bitcoin on their PayPal as of right now. So guys, check that out as well. But you know, me personally, if I can't hold on to it, if it's not my keys, it's not my crypto, I'm a firm believer in that. But you do have a lot of people out there that, you know, really want centralization. They want to be able to pick up the phone and call customer service. So, you know, I can't knock those type of people. It's different people in this world, and we all can't be, we all not a monolith. We all cannot be one. That's what makes us all great, right? So, you know, like I said, you know, some people like to have their stuff centralized, and it's on them. You know, whatever makes the community great, whatever's going to help people in the long run, with sending monies, you know, throughout the world basically, and to be there faster and cheaper, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. So you know, us die hard decentralization people, you know, we still gonna be us, you know, be your own bank type people. We still gonna be us, you know what I'm saying? And but yeah, man, long we get adoption much better, much bigger and better, you know, we will see how it all works out. But guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This is your guy Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, guys, make sure you stack your sats and chill. We out here getting this moolah, this crypto, baby. We out of here, baby. Peace.